satellite in geosynchronous orbit to Lisbon, Portugal, where the data packets will be handed off to submerged transatlantic cable.
Submerge. Submerge.
Will be handed off to submerged transatlantic cable. Portugal, where the data packets will be handed off to submerged transatlantic cables terminate.
Nova. Nova.
Cables terminate. The monster truck is out of Austin, Texas, and the Blue Viper is being operated.
Viper. Viper.
Texas, and the Blue Viper is being operated.
You know, in the future, when we're disembodied brains in jars.
Disembody. Disembody.
When we're disembodied brains in jars.
I promised my mother.
I suppose you could have your android penis circumcised.
Android. Android.
I suppose you could have your android penis circumcised.
Sheldon, why is this letter in the trash?
Well, there's always the possibility that a trash can spontaneously formed around the letter.
Spontaneously. Spontaneously.
Can spontaneously formed around the letter.
It's at the topical conference on Bose-Einstein condensates.
I know. I read it before I threw it out.
Okay, if I may drill down to the bedrock of my question.
Bedrock. Bedrock.
Okay, if I may drill down to the bedrock of my question.
Which, if I were there, it would be.
I don't know, Sheldon, those topical conference on Bose-Einstein condensates.
Topical. Topical.
Oh, Sheldon, those topical conference on Bose-Einstein condensates.
Wrong way, but the day you win a Nobel Prize is the day I begin my research on the drag coefficient of tassels on flying carpets.
Tassel. Tassel.
On the drag coefficient of tassels on flying carpets.
So flawed.
Shut up, Howard. Sheldon, we have to do this.
No, we don't. We have to take in nourishment, expel waste.
Nourishment. Nourishment.
We have to take in nourishment, expel waste.
Come on, the only reason you're the lead author is because we went alphabetically.
I let you think we went alphabetically.
Alphabetically. Alphabetically.
I let you think we went alphabetically.
You see, Kandor was the capital city of the planet Krypton. It was miniaturized by Brainiac before Krypton exploded.
Krypton. Krypton.
It was miniaturized by Brainiac before Krypton exploded.
Some way you and Sheldon could compromise on this whole presentation thing?
No. Scientists do not compromise. Our minds are trained to synthesize facts.
Synthesize. Synthesize.
Our minds are trained to synthesize facts.
Okay, all right, moving on. Oh, wow, a paisley shirt.
Paisley. Paisley.
A paisley shirt.
Technically, yes, but if you'll notice, it's reversible.
Reversible. Reversible.
Reversible.
Oh, sweetie, I don't even think it works as one. Is this all your clothes?
Clothe. Clothe.
Is this all your clothes? Oh, sweetie, I don't even think it works as one. Is this all your clothes?
Yep, everything since the 8th grade.
Yup. Yup.
Yep, everything since the 8th grade. Yep, everything since the 8th grade.
The 8th grade?
My last growth spurt.
Spurt. spurt.
My last growth spurt. My last growth spurt.
Okay, well, guess we're back to the corduroy suit.
corduroy, corduroy,
Okay, well, guess we're back to the corduroy suit. Tip your waitresses. I'm here all week.
Penny, just to save you from further awkwardness, know that...
awkwardness, awkwardness,
Penny, just to save you from further awkwardness, know that... of some sort of unconscious emotional turmoil.
Wait, what?
I couldn't poop this morning.
poop, poop,
I couldn't poop this morning.
You should just talk to him. I'm sure you guys can work this out.
Certainly preferable to my plan.
Which,
preferable, preferable,
Certainly preferable to my plan.
which
Preferable to my plan.
was?
Powerful laxative.
laxative, laxative,
Powerful laxative. How'd that work out for you?
Leonard, ready to go?
Libido 1, truth 0.
Libido, libido.
Libido 1, truth 0.
Let's present the paper together.
And I'm telling you for the last time, it's pandering, it's undignified, and bite me.
Undignified, undignified.
It's pandering, it's undignified, and bite me. Where I was walking through the park, and I saw these children on a merry-go-round, which started me thinking about the moment of inertia.
inertia, inertia,
Which started me thinking about the moment of inertia. Because I knew you'd screw this up.
I didn't screw it up.
Oh, please. I admit that spherical chicken joke, that was hilarious.
spherical, spherical,
Please, I admit that spherical chicken joke, that was hilarious. Please, I admit that spherical chicken joke, that was hilarious. But it was straight downhill from there.
You know, I've had enough of your condescension.
condescension, condescension,
Oh, I've had enough of your condescension. And I am clearly not the only person who is tormented by
torment, torment,
who is tormented by and I am clearly not the only person who is tormented by insecurity and has an ego in need of constant validation.
So you
validation, validation,
Insecurity and has an ego in need of constant validation. You cannot blow up my head with your mind.
Then I'll settle for an aneurysm.
Aneurysm, aneurysm.
Then I'll settle for an aneurysm.
Oh, jeez. Does this suit really look that bad?
Forget your suit. Look at my arms waiting. I'm like a flamingo on Ritalin.
flamingo, flamingo,
I'm like a flamingo on Ritalin. We're a nutcase. We'll see about that.
混蛋东西嘛。
对呀、很大的书呆子。
geek, geek,
是吗？
对呀、很大的书呆子。